This is 10.1-inch Android ruggedized tablet, with inbuilt Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 4G, battery, and optional NFC, camera, fingerprint, and 1D 2D scanner, complied by the U.S. military standard MILSTD 810G. It supports the 1.2-meter drop resistance and brings maximum protection from vibration and shocking in vehicle. This rugged tablet with Ethernet port comes with LAN Gigabit Ethernet, which is characterized by high efficiency, high speed, and high performance, and has been widely used in bus for fleet management, dispatch, logistic, etc. This Android rugged tablet 10-inch is certified by IP67 waterproof and still works well after soaking in a water in 1 meter depth for 30 minutes. Thus it can improve the reliability and stability of the tablets and extend the service life, thereby reducing hardware costs.